Hey guys, Sheldon here with VSL, and in today's video we're going to talk about hashing, password hashing to be specific. So what is a hash? Think of a hash as a digital fingerprint for a piece of data, such as your password. And let's think about a couple things about fingerprints. One, they're unique. Everyone has unique fingerprints. Same with the hashes. Every password has a unique hash. And second, they're not reversible. That means that if you lift the fingerprints from a crime scene, it's useless unless those same fingerprints are in an FBI database somewhere. You can't just look at that fingerprint and determine, oh, that was Bob. It's the same with our hashes. You can't look at a hash and determine the password that came from it. So how do we use password hashing? When you go to a website and you want to create an account, you provide a password. That password is hashed and stored in the database along with your username. The next time you go to log in, the password you provide is hashed and the two hashes are compared. And if they match, you're in. Now, some of you may be wondering, what about what we call collisions? Another password generating the same hash. With the algorithms we use nowadays, if you could perform a hash on 1 billion passwords a second, it would take you billions of years to come up with a collision. So hopefully this explains what hashing is and how it's used in everyday life. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments. And thanks for watching this video.